How much time do you spend on your phone? Well, if you have an iPhone, you can actually learn how much time you spend every day. What you can do is you go into settings and then you go into screen time. And when you go into screen time, you can see actually how much time you spent on your phone that day. It'll tell you how much time you spent on social networking, reading and references, and other. And you have the ability to go in and set different functions in there. So for example, I can set downtime. You can set limits on apps, so the amount of time that you want to spend on apps. You can set a timer in there, so you can only spend that amount of time. Actually, there's even a password function that you can set a password for apps that you have to actually put a password in to get onto that app. This is good for if you're really addicted to it. It gives you an opportunity to not use it or make you think twice about it. Also is a great option for kids. If you have children who have smartphones, to be able to go in there and put privacy functions on there. So there's a passcode that they would have to get to be able to use that particular app. So if you want to use your phone less and not have it be a distraction, you can use the privacy function and set screen times. Thanks, and be great.